On March 2nd, the European Court of Justice ruled that conservationist organizations should have the right to challenge forest management plans in the courts. According to the state forests, the charge is unfounded and every citizen has the right to submit comments and participate in consultations. A number of such proceedings, cases launched by environmentalists, are taking place before common courts. The European Court of Justice also upheld the European Commission's complaint about the Polish law governing forestry. The court ruled that certain provisions of the Forest Act provide the possibility of violating the Birds and Habitats directives. State Forest spokesman Michał Gzowski recalls that Poland had already complied with the objections a year ago. We acted faster than the tribunal demanded of us on certain legislative matters. The Polish side has already removed Article 14b of the Forest Law. The case was initiated by a complaint to the European Commission by three organizations: Workshop for All Beings, WWF Poland, and the Frank Bolt Foundation. In July 2021, the Commission brought the case against Poland. Solidarity Poland believes that the European Union's actions are aimed at taking away forest management competencies from member states and transferring them to European Union bodies. We will always stand on the side of the forests, and we will not allow this alliance of eco-terrorists with Eurocrats to lead to a decision-making on state forests, moving from under Polish jurisdiction to European jurisdiction. On January 25th, the European Parliament's Environment Committee issued a positive opinion on amending the European Union treaties on common forest management. The European Union action seeks to bring 20 to 30% of the European Community's area under binding restoration and environmental protection plans. Forest management is, after all, a broader picture. It is not only Polish state forests, but all of Europe's forests, which should be overseen by the European Union in a clear and transparent way. And I have no problem with that. The United Right disagrees with this approach. Law and Justice MEP Zbigniew Kuźmiuk said that the European Union ban on logging in the Białowieża forest has led to the degradation of a significant area of the forest. This is already about 12 million cubic meters. That's how many more trees have been destroyed by the print bark beetle and are not being allowed to be removed, so more trees are being attacked. Poland's forest resources occupy almost a third of the country's area. Since 2005, 260,000 hectares of forests have been added. Poland's timber sector generates about 3% gross domestic product, providing jobs for 500,000 people.